We live in a world populated by many different types of sexually reproducing species. Many species who live on land, in the water, in the sky, and even those who are extremely small, share the same process in order to make new gametes. This process, which creates new gametes, is called meiosis.
But why isn't every gamete's chromosomes identical to their parents?
Hang on, Will. You will find out very soon, I promise.
Earlier, all the chromosomes were duplicated into two sister chromatids. In our species case, there are 3 different chromosomes.
Therefore, there are 6 pairs of sister chromatids.
Please excuse my friend. When the homologous, also known as maternal and paternal chromosomes get very close, different parts of the non-sister chromatids cross over. This mixes the different corresponding genes of the father and mother on each chromatid.
Is this why the gametes have different traits?
It is a big part of it. Nice observation. After crossing over, the spindle fibers line up the chromosomes. However, the paternal and maternal chromosomes line up on random sides of the soon-to-be new cell. This is called independent assortment, and also accounts for genetic diversity.
Wait a second! Why don't both the new cells have all the correct chromosomes in this animation?
That is an excellent question actually. The people who formed the claim must not have understood independent assortment yet. Good thing they researched before presenting it to the class. The creators showed some of the maternal and paternal chromosomes of the same type moving to the same side of the equator. Each side should have all the correct ones, but whether they are paternal or maternal is random. Let's move on. After each chromosome is separated from its homologue, the cytoplasm around the chromosome splits, forming 2 separate cells. Each cell has the 3 duplicated sister chromatids with crossing over, some maternal and some paternal. When new spindles form, the chromosomes line up at the equator another time, and the sister chromatids split. Once again the membranes split and create 2 new cells for the sets of 3 chromatids. Now the original cell has split its 12 original chromatids into 4 cells with the 3 chromatids each. All 4 have different combinations of maternal and paternal genes from the crossing over and independent assortment. Each cell is a haploid, because it only contains one of every chromosome.
The correct grammar is actually haploid cells, because haploid is an adjective.
Thank you very much, British woman. I will make sure to say it right next time.
Yes, what Will said?
I still don't understand the independent assortment. If crossing over didn't occur, how would genetic diversity exist?
Fine, Will. We will explain it once again. This is the last time.
Let's say the blue chromatids are paternal, and the purple chromatids are maternal. When they form the homologue with each other during prophase 1, crossing over occurs, but you understand that already. Now to explain independent assortment, let's name the 3 chromosomes. The one on the top is chromosome 1, middle is chromosome 2, and bottom is chromosome 3. Next, during metaphase, the chromosomes, separated from the homologue, line up on both sides of the equator. Now, please ignore the slightly incorrect animation. In the example shown, during this transition, the chromosomes on the top of the equator form the order paternal, paternal, maternal. We can say chromosome 1 and 2 are paternal, and chromosome 3 is maternal. On the bottom, it is the opposite. Chromosome 1 and 2 are maternal, and chromosome 3 is paternal. These cells will split in telophase, affecting the potential genetic outcome.
I I understand the random ordering now, but I still don't get how this changes the potential baby's genes.
Well, watch the different potential outcomes the creators have kindly provided. These orderings affect what the offspring will inherit. In our example, let's say chromosome 1 controlled hair, and chromosome 3 controlled eyes. Let's also say the maternal genes produce purple eyes and hair, and the paternal genes produce blue eyes and hair. In this order, the baby would have purple hair and blue eyes if the gamete on the bottom produced those genes for the baby. The gamete from the top has the properties to create a baby with blue hair and purple eyes. Understand?
Yes, I understand now. Thank you very much.
I knew you would understand it eventually. Good job, Will, and the rest of science too, eh?
Thank you for watching. Let's give a round of applause for our hardworking creators, Mika and Jonah.